In this video, I'll show you how to correctly update PowerPoint so that each chart is linked to the right Excel workbook, and then how to apply AI-generated executive messaging. This step is important. If the links are wrong, the charts will be wrong. PowerPoint manages all Excel connections from one place. So you'll go to File, then Info, and then select Edit Links to Files. This shows every Excel chart link used in the presentation. Now each chart link must be updated individually. You select the first link, then choose Change Source, and browse to the Excel workbook you're using for the analysis, and then Confirm. And now you're going to repeat this for the remaining chart links in the list. Even though the process is repetitive, this ensures every chart is pulling the correct source. You only need to do this once per chart. PowerPoint refreshes every chart using the latest Excel data. With the charts updated, we move to the executive messaging. So we'll switch over to ChatGPT. We need to have run the AI analysis for either exec or operational. This step does not modify the charts. AI prepares executive messaging that fits a proven slide structure, slide titles, bullets, and the read aloud narrative. Now I'll paste in the slide generation prompt. This saves preparation time while keeping structure and data intact. Okay, now we return to PowerPoint, and back in PowerPoint, we're going to update slide titles and bullets using the AI output. If you use speaker notes, we'll paste in the executive narrative there. We're updating the message, not redesigning the slides. Before sharing the deck, do a quick final check. Confirm charts have updated correctly. Scan slide titles for the narrative flow. Spot check speaker notes for clarity. This review takes minutes, not hours. And that's the full workflow. Excel owns the data. PowerPoint stays linked. AI accelerates executive messaging. Accurate charts, consistent messaging, and no manual rework.